Hello everyone, my name Yohanes Arya Wasista Prabawa, name 110. I will explain material about TOEFL. TOEFL is one of the most well-known English tests, especially in Indonesia. Test of English a foreign language or known as TOEFL is a proficiency test that is used to measure a person's level of English competence. Without being associated with the teaching and learning process, I can be conclude that TOEFL is a different from the achievement test or test, whose scope is limited only to the lesson learned by student in an English class. TOEFL has 4 proficiency tests that includes reading, hearing, and logic in English language, namely listening comprehension, structure, and written, experience, reading comprehension, and test of written English. There are 3 types of TOEFL tests, namely International TOEFL test and TOEFL-like test. What distinguishes the 3 types of tests is that the questions given in the International TOEFL are always new in every test implemented. Meanwhile, the institutional TOEFL test and TOEFL-like tests are a generally recycled international TOEFL tests from the past years. The validity period for the TOEFL test varies by types. For the international TOEFL test, the validity period is 2 years and can be accepted at all universities in the world. This test can also be used to apply for overseas scholarship. TOEFL test has a validity period within 6 months for the test at a cheaper charge and cannot be used for overseas scholarship application. The TOEFL-like test doesn't not allow for application to other country university because this test is only implemented to meet the requirement of someone's university in Indonesia. What are the difference in the 3 forms of the TOEFL test? Number 1. Paper-based test, PBT TOEFL. PBT TOEFL is a type of TOEFL which was originally released by ETH. The test system on the PBT TOEFL use paper that consists of question and answer sheets that must be filled in with up to be pencil. The material tests are listening, structure, reading. The scorings that can be achieved in this test values from 310 to 677, while the duration of the test is 2 hours. Number 2. Computer-based test, CBT TOEFL. CBT TOEFL is the second type replacing PBT TOEFL. The CBT TOEFL test system no longer use paper, but it is a direct input to a computer-based system. All questions use software and each question is immediately answered. On that computer, CBT was first released in 1998 in Indonesia. PBT TOEFL is more commonly participated, therefore CBT is less popular. The material are listening, structure, reading, reading. The scorings that can be achieved in this test value from 30 to 300, while the duration of the test is 2 hours. Number 3. Internet-based test, EBT TOEFL. EBT TOEFL, of what is now commonly referred to as next generation TOEFL, is the last test type of TOEFL test released by ETH and has been used since 2005. However, in Indonesia, EBT has only been implemented since 2006, replacing PBT TOEFL. It has made mind change to the new TOEFL format and system. Just like CBT TOEFL, EBT TOEFL also use computer media. The difference is that the test system on EBT is internet-based, so that test takers can answer questions online. The material tests are listening, speaking, writing, and reading. The scorings that can be achieved in the test value from 8 to 120, while the duration of the test is 4 hours. The range of EBT score is 0 to 120. Thank you.